Welcome to the US!
It's early spring and I decided to take a road trip from Toronto, Canada to the second largest city in the state of New York in the United States. And I'm going to show you a glimpse around the city. Hi, this is Manoj Kumar Sundar and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, I take this opportunity to thank everyone who has supported me in reaching 500 subscribers. If you are new to my channel, please feel free to explore my adventures through my Pocket Cam and subscribe to my channel. Buffalo, New York apparently has so much to offer. It boasts a rich history with stunning architectures and notable buildings. The city has a vibrant culture and friendly locals. We even got a chance to meet one of the officers who was super friendly. Since I went on a Saturday, the city did not have a lively atmosphere. It looked a little deserted. Located near the Niagara Falls and with access to Lake Erie, Buffalo offers opportunities for outdoor activities and scenic views. A stroll in the downtown area takes you through huge architectural magnificence. The City Hall's observation deck and Liberty buildings are two noteworthy ones. The city also has museums, historic sites like the Frank Lloyd's house, Theodore Roosevelt's historic site, and many more. Like any other city, Buffalo faces a lot of challenges, especially the harsh winters. Since I'm from Toronto, it's not a big deal, to be honest. When it comes to food, Buffalo is famous for its wings and of course a diverse culinary scene. In fact, we chose this Indian Chettinad restaurant called Nellai Banana Leaf. They offer a wide variety of vegetarian and non-vegetarian South Indian food. If you're a person who loves Indian cuisine and you are in this city, give this place a try. If you're bringing your kids, explore the Buffalo Zoo, Botanical Gardens, and their Museum of Science. Ultimately, whether Buffalo is worth a visit depends on what you're looking for in your travel. To me, it was a day trip and it went great. There were so many other places to cover. Please give your thoughts and comments about the city. As I said, this video is just a glimpse and I will come back sometime soon to explore more. Until next time, it's me Manoj Kumar Sundar signing off.